Connecting with your clients can be fun. Digital's exclusive app is exceptional. Each practice will have a unique QR code, also known as clinic name tag, associated with your profile. This QR code can be printed and displayed in your lobby, exam rooms, added to your website. Your personalized clinic QR code is located in your dashboard under your clinic name tag. To start using your clinic name tag, start by downloading the free Digital app for pets located in your app store on your mobile device. Once the app has been installed, you're going to go to Accounts in your lower right-hand corner, explore Providers, scan the name tag. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the clinic's name and logo. You can then select which pets you would like associated with this practice. Once this is confirmed, the request will appear as pending until it's accepted by the actual location. All pending requests will be located on the dashboard. Once it's been accepted, the pet parent will have full access to schedule appointments, view their pet's medical records and certificates, add diary notes for their pets, chat with the practice, as well as conduct telemedicine visits.